Next, we have a proclamation for the Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week. And I'm going to ask Ms. Carter to come down with me. She is on the board of directors for the Gullah Geechee Trail. And I think it's only appropriate that she helps present this proclamation.
Okay. Town of Leland proclamation, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas the coastal Carolinas is one of the oldest regions in North Carolina, and whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into the region and the Gullah Geechee culture was formed, and whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by the United States Representative James Clyburn, and whereas Quene Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, has led meetings in North Carolina communities to reunite them with their Gullah Geechee traditions, and whereas the Town of Leland recognizes the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all contributions the Gullah Geechee have given the Carolinas, and whereas a series of activities will take place throughout the Gullah Geechee Nation to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee culture. Now, therefore, the Town Council of the Town of Leland, North Carolina, hereby proclaims July 27th through August 4th as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. In witness thereof, I have set my hand and caused the seal of the Town of Leland, North Carolina, to be affixed this 20th day of June, 2024.
And that is signed by me.
Thank you so much. It's a beautiful picture.
Would you like to say anything?
Please.
Thank you. Yeah, my hands full because these are for your children. For y'all come there for all 100 children. You can keep them. So glad to be here. This is my first time in Leland. And my first time in North Kakalaki, anything like that. But I did from South Kakalaki, closer to Georgia, anything like that. So I know how much the time 100 children to get it. People crazy like this. You ain't Leland and thing. See that? So y'all don't hear people speak like this too much in Leland, do you? There we go. But this language works for you. Okay. And I'm Chieftess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. I'm Quene Quet. I'm also the founder of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. And it is truly an honor to have North Carolina participating. This is the second year that Leland actually participated. And you all were the first town ever in North Carolina to participate in Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And you deserve applause for that, okay? And so I'm very happy to hear y'all have a cultural center. We got to put something together. I'll come back and present on something with Gullah Geechee culture. But I also heard about that swing dance. And so Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week officially begins on that Saturday, July 27th, but y'all can swing out up here on the 26th, or in honor of the week. I wish I had a helicopter. I'd come up here that night, swing with you, and then get back down there to St. Helena Island on time. But you all are welcome. So please come down to St. Helena Island so that you can launch the week with us as well down there. But we're looking forward to planning some things for 2025 right here in Town of Leland. I pray the trail will be something we can walk together at that time, because we know a lot of hard work is going into that. And I truly appreciate who I call Sister Carter. All right, from the day that I've met her, she's always welcomed me here to North Carolina, and it's such a wonderful thing to find out she's now in your town council. And so thank you, Mayor Bozeman. Thank you, everyone here. I have a very close friend with your last name. She's a preacher. I don't know if you preach too.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna let her know. We're gonna pray for you though. I'm gonna let her know. So thank y'all so much here, and definitely swing out for me now and so whatnot. Okay. Thank y'all, and we appreciate this on behalf of the Gullah Geechee Nation. It's an honor.